Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Mrs. SD from LPO Public School, Bola Bajar, Gorakhpur. This is my second video of the chapter, Our Solar System of Class 6 Geography. I hope all of you are well at home. In this video, I will tell you about the solar system. This is my second video. In my first video, I have already told you about solar system, planets. In my first video, we have studied about the planet, the first, that is Mercury, and about Venus. In this, I will tell you the rest of 6 planets about Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Yesterday, I have told you in my first video that these planets were divided into two parts, 4. The first 4, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These 4 planets are called inner planets. These are called inner planets as they are closer to Sun. In the same way, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called outer planets as they are further to Sun. So, in this video, I will tell you about the planets one by one. So, let's see. First, Mercury, then Venus, Mars, Earth. Student, I have noted here the main points. First, that is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system. It is very small in size, so it is called as smallest planet in our solar system. So the first point is it is very smallest. Second is closest to Sun. It is very closer. Or you can say closest to Sun. It is very, this is the first planet. So it is very closer to Sun, closest to Sun. Second point. And the third point about Mercury is it is very fastest planet. It revolves around the Sun in 88 days. It completes its one circle around the Sun in 88 days. So it is called as fastest planet. It is called as closest to Sun. It is smaller in size. So these are the 3 main points about Mercury. Now let's see about Venus. What is the main points about Venus? Main point about the Venus are Venus is the hottest planet. It is very hot due to temperature of 475 degrees Celsius during night. At night, its temperature is 475 degrees Celsius. So, it is called as the hottest planet of our solar system. So, this is the first point about Venus. Second is, this is called as sister planet. This is called as sister planet of Earth due to size. Its size is same as the size of Earth. So it is called as sister planet of Earth. And the third point about Venus is brightest planet. It is very hot and very bright. So it is also called as brightest planet of our solar system. And the last, that is, it is also called as morning star and evening star. This is because it appears very bright in the morning and in the evening, and we can easily see from the Earth. One can easily spot it from the Earth. It's very bright, so it is called as morning star and the evening star. These are the main points about Venus. Now let's see about Earth. About Earth, I think all of you know we are living on Earth, and it is the fifth largest and the third nearest planet to the Sun. According to size, it is the fifth largest planet, and according to the position, it is in third position. Mercury and Venus is Mercury in first, then Venus and Earth is in third position to the Sun. So this is the first largest and the third nearest to the Earth. Now second point is it has life. About all the planet, only Earth is a planet which has life, which has condition, supporting condition of life. That is because of water and air. In our Earth, we get water and air which support the life. So it is the only planet which has life. Third point, 2/3 surface covered with water. As I told you, Earth is the only planet which has water, and its 2/3 surface is covered with water, and due to water it is also called as blue planet. It is also called blue planet. When we see from the sky, it looks blue in color, so it is called as blue planet. I hope it is clear to all. Now let's see about Mars, Jupiter. About Mars, that is, Mars is referred as a red planet. It is called as red planet, that is due to red soil. In Mars, there is soil is red in color, so it is also called as red planet. Second point is it has atmosphere with cloud, like our Earth. As our Earth has cloud atmosphere, in the same way Mars also has atmosphere and with cloud, but there is no water, and due to no water there is no life. It is, if there is water, it will be supported to life, but due to lack of water there is no life, but it has atmospheric condition with cloud, so it is good. Number last, that is it has two small satellites. Our Earth has one satellite, that is Moon, but Mars has two satellites and they are small in size. Now let's see about Jupiter. Here are the main points about Jupiter. That is, Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. It is very large, big in size, so it is called as largest planet of our solar system. The second point is it is 318 times heavier than our Earth. It means it is very heavy, as it is big in size and it is also heavy. It is heavier 318 times heavier than our Earth. If we compare Earth to the Jupiter, then our Earth is very small according to the Jupiter, and Jupiter is 318 times heavier than our Earth. The next point is its diameter is about 11 times more than our Earth. What is the diameter of our Earth? If we compare to the Jupiter, the diameter of Jupiter is 11 times more than the Earth. Next is fastest rotating planet. Jupiter is very fast rotating planet in its own axis. It completes very fast distance in its own axis. It rotates very fast. So this is also called as fastest rotating planet of its axis. The next is stronger magnetic field. Jupiter has very strong magnetic field. And the last point is it has 67 natural satellites. As you know that Earth has only one natural satellite, that is called Moon. but the Jupiter has 67 natural satellites. These were the main points about Jupiter. That is, it is the largest planet. It is 318 times heavier than Earth. Heavier than Earth. Correct. Its diameter is 11 times more than Earth. It rotates very fast, so it is called as fastest rotating planet. It has strong magnetic field and it has 67 natural satellites. Now let's see Saturn. About Saturn, what is the main points about Saturn? About Saturn, Saturn is the second largest planet of our solar system after Jupiter. As we have studied now, Jupiter is the first largest planet and Saturn is the second largest planet of our solar system. Second point, it is known for its ring. Here I have drawn the picture. It has ring. It is known for its ring, and it has 12 rings around it. There are 12 rings around it, and it is known for its ring. It is the second largest planet of our solar system. It has 62 natural satellites. As we have studied, Jupiter has 67, but Saturn has 62 natural satellites. And one more thing, we can easily see the Saturn without using any telescope from the Earth. It is very visible to us without any telescope. So these are the main points about Saturn. That is, Saturn is the second largest planet of our solar system after Jupiter. It is known for its ring and there are 12 rings around it, and it has 62 natural satellites. Now let's see about Uranus and then about Neptune. About Uranus, it is the third largest planet after Jupiter and Saturn of our solar system. Jupiter is the first largest planet, then Saturn is the second largest planet, and Uranus is the third largest planet of our solar system. So it is the third largest planet of our solar system according to the size. Then next point is, it is 4 times larger than Earth. If we compare the Uranus with our Earth, then Uranus is 4 times larger than our Earth. So it is 4 times larger than Earth. Next is, it also has thin rings. Thin means very thin, which we can't see. And it is also we can't see because they are in black color. The rings around the Uranus, the rings around the Uranus are black in colors, which are not visible. And it is very thin rings, so we can't see it from our Earth. The last point is, it has 27 natural satellites. As we have studied, Jupiter has 67, Saturn has 62, and Uranus has 27 natural satellites. But our Earth has only one satellite. So these are the main points about Uranus. Now let's see about Neptune. What are the main points about Neptune? About Neptune, the main points are, Neptune is called blue giant. As its color is blue, so it's called as blue giant. And it is the farthest planet of our solar system. You can see the picture from the sun. It is the last one, so it is the farthest planet of the solar system. It has 13 natural satellites. It is 13, as I have told you. The Uranus has 27 and it has 13 natural satellites. Our Earth has one satellite. Jupiter has 67, then Saturn has 62, Uranus has 27, and the Neptune has 13 natural satellites. It also has thin rings like Saturn, which are very thin and which we can't see from the earth because they are very thin and black in color. So I hope you have understood. These are the main points about our planets. Now let's see today's home assignment. Your today's home assignments are, your today's work is write about solar system with picture, which I have teach you. In the same way, you have to draw the picture as it is given on the board, and you have to write about all the planets one by one. So this is your homework. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.